Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn about how to get data from our user. In previous video, we learned about the string formatting, but in this video, we are going to know about how to get data from the user to make our program bit more dynamic and more interactive. So let's go. Let me first clear this out for you and now. So guys, here we want to ask the user that what is your name? My name is Kartik, alright? But what about your name? So what we're gonna do here so that the user can enter his name so that we can just type here a message. So I want to type this message along with his name here. So every user have different names, so we can't predict his name. So we want that user type this name and then we say him, for suppose his name is Ram, so hi Ram, welcome, my name is Kartik. So here Kartik will print out. How this happen we have discussed in our previous video. You can go and watch. I will pin that in the corner here. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna just simply give here a function name as input, and then we gonna ask him that what's your name. Alright, now I'm gonna just run it and then I will tell you what is happening. So here you can see in the console we are getting what's your name, and then I will type in the console that my name is Ram, and then I will hit enter, and I just didn't print the message, so I went here and print message. Alright, now we will run it again. You can see guys, we got the Ram here and welcome, my name is Kartik. So how we get that? When I run the program first got the Kartik value in my name variable. When it comes to the second line, then it went to the input here, and then it just returned this string into the console and stopped the program so that it can get value from the user that it can store into the your name variable. And when it comes to the third line, and in third line it have a variable named as message, and then it got the f string here, and here it got the hi your name, and at the your name variable it just returned that value of your name and that it got from the user, and then welcome, my name is here Kartik, and in fourth line I just printed out the message. So guys, let's give it another example from here. For suppose I am asking for age now, that what is your age, and now I want that I will give them how many months they have lived for. So I will just type here month, and so alright guys, we have got here the input from the user, and then we will just multiply it 12 so that as age is measured in year, and when year will be multiplied with the 12, then we will get the months, and from the month we will just put it into the f string here and we will get the output. But guys, we will get an error here, so I just type here, suppose let's make it 3. So I got here 12 times 3. So why did that happen guys? Because that input function always take the values from user into the string. So this always will be the string. But we want multiply here, so we need to change this age variable into the int. So the same process that I have told you to make integer into the string, we just type str, but now I want to change str into integer value, so I will type just int, and then I will cover it with brackets. So now this value is changed into the integer value, and now we can multiply it with 12. Here you can see we have got 12 into 3, 36 month old. Can I type int here? Yes, we can type int here also. Let's give it a try. Now no need to give int here too. So this value is into the string, but when we cover it with the int function, then it converted into the int. And now age is not a string, but it is an int. So we have got the 48 month because 4 into 12 is equals to 48. Now guys, I have a question for you. You need to find out that if a user, first you need to ask from the user that how many years he have lived for, then convert that into the seconds. So that's it for this video guys. Don't forget to complete this program because practice will make you perfect in the Python programming, not just watching the video. So don't forget to practice the program. I am sharing links in the description. So that's it for this video. Take care. Bye. See you in the next one.